Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy tech insights and helpful tips, please subscribe. Let's begin.
Disconnecting a solar panel safely is a critical procedure that requires careful attention to detail and a thorough understanding of electrical safety, as live DC current can be extremely dangerous, causing severe shocks or even fatalities. Before you even touch a panel, always prioritize safety. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PP, including insulated gloves, safety glasses, and non-conductive footwear. Gather your tools, which should include a multimeter capable of measuring DC voltage, an MC for unlocking tool if your connectors require one, a flathead screwdriver for terminals, and wire cutters. Crucially, ensure the weather is dry. Never work on solar panels during rain, high winds, or when the panels are wet, as this significantly increases the risk of electrocution. Your first step is to completely shut down the entire solar power system, not just the individual panel you intend to work on. This multi-stage shutdown process typically begins by locating your AC disconnect switch, usually found near your inverter, and turning it to the off position. Next, proceed to your main electrical service panel and switch off the dedicated AC circuit breaker for your solar system. Following this, if your system has a DC disconnect switch, which is common with string inverters, turn that to the off position as well. For systems with microinverters, the AC shutdown at the breaker and inverter is often sufficient to de-energize the panel, but always double-check your system's specific manual. After shutting down all accessible disconnects, it is absolutely vital to wait at least 5 to 10 minutes for any capacitors within the inverter or optimizers to fully discharge their stored energy. Skipping this waiting period can still expose you to dangerous residual voltage. Once the waiting period has elapsed, the next critical step is to verify that no voltage is present at the panel's output leads using your multimeter. Set your multimeter to measure DC voltage, typically in the 200V or 600V range, and carefully touch the positive and negative probes to the positive and negative terminals or MC4 connectors coming directly from the panel you wish to disconnect. A reading of 0 volts or very close to it confirms the panel is de-energized. Only then can you proceed to physically disconnect the panel. Locate the MC4 connectors at the back of the panel. These are the waterproof connectors linking panels together in a string. If they are locked, use your specialized MC4 unlocking tool to depress the locking tabs. Firmly but carefully pull apart the male and female connectors, separating the positive and negative leads. Ensure the disconnected cables are secured and not left dangling where they could accidentally reconnect or touch other conductive surfaces. Always assume that any wire could become live, even after following all shutdown procedures, and never work alone. If at any point you are unsure or uncomfortable with any step, do not proceed. Instead, contact a qualified solar technician. Your safety is paramount. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe for more essential solar maintenance tips.